Hello, Marvin Beluga again, and this time this is the third video. So the first one just showed everything the PLC HMI does, and the next one showed you, walked you through the tape or ladder logic, and this time now I'll walk you through the data tables that we created for the data log and the web page functionality. So I'll start with database 3, which is created using the data log. So as before, I use records, the number of records that you get. On your Excel spreadsheet, the name of the file that you'll create. The headers will give you the name of the columns, and then the data is structured. So underneath all that, you'll have the currently processed, currently in inventory, and currently in cells. So those values will be stored inside and be projected underneath the columns. And then you have your done, busy, error, and status information just for the data block. And then the next one will be the system blocks. You see when you these are the other data blocks that were created. So we have the create data log right. Those two are locked, and these are for the timers that I have inside. So you can see all the tags for the timers, the magnetic timer, the retract timer, and all the times that are inside there. If you're running it real time, these values will be changing. And then sales, and then finally warehouse data blocks. And then finally we have the web server. As you saw, it's recommended you start from 333. So it'll store all the codes according to that, and this is what it turns the HTML file into. Structured arrays, and because the code was long, it'll create this next data block, and you'll get everything in there. So that's a sweet functionality that the Siemens offers that most people don't do. You can actually control all that over the internet, so that's interesting to know. And then I'll show you the watch tables and the force tables, how to create them. Enter that folder, you'll go into your watch tables. This one also tells you real time what's going on in the system. If I go mess around with the setup out there, you'll see the values change. And then the force tables, this one you can use to force values into your system. So it's a really powerful diagnostic tool in case something is, let's say your machine stops in a dangerous position and you want to force it back to its safe spot. You can go ahead and do that. So that's about the data tables and watch tables and force tables I did for this. The next video will be talking about the HMI. Alright, thank you.